Hello, joyful people, greetings to you all. Come with me, let me share with you how to make the best condensed milk chin. Super crunchy and yummy. I'm using all-purpose flour. First step, I will go ahead and sieve it. So this is how it goes. After sieving, I will go ahead and add baking powder to it. Nutmeg. I'll add a pinch of salt to it. I'm using margarine with salt. You can also use butter, but I'm using with salt. 1 egg, medium size. Feel free to share the description. The ingredients used will be listed there for you. Make sure your hands is clean when you are about to do this. So one is well combined. I'll go ahead and add my condensed milk to it. The taste will take you to other level. It tastes so good and super yummy. Crunchy. Always loved by everyone. I'll add water to it later. So once it's well combined, I'll go ahead and add water. Since I'm using a condensed milk, there is no need of adding additional milk again. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you all. May God bless you for tuning in again. And if today is your first time coming across the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn the notification bell and be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be first to be notified, and we are uploading soon again. Please help me to share this video in all your platform amongst your friends. So this is how the texture needs to look like. You can work with it immediately or leave it for less than 30 minutes. It can be 10 minutes, 15, 20. It goes a long way. Once the surface is clean, I will sprinkle a floss on it, portion it into 2. I'll go ahead and roll it out. Make sure it's not too thick and it's not too light. So this is how he needs to look like. So I'll go ahead and use this my knife to make justice to it. And when you are cutting it, make sure you are very careful so that they will be uniform. The shape goes a long way, or the cutting goes a long way. Someone asked a questions in my previous video that they are gumming together or sticking together. Don't worry about that. Once it gets to the oil, it will separate on its own. So I will go ahead and work on the second part. So the cutting of this one is going to be different from the previous one, but while the rolling out is the same. So before I cut this, I will take up the edges, and I will not throw the edges away. I will still make use of it. I'm using a pizza cutter to do this. If you don't have this, you must not stress yourself. Use your knife if you don't have a pizza cutter. And if you have any question based on this video or my previous video, feel free to ask your question and I will answer you. I have made so many videos about chin-chin, about commercial and personal consumption. In case if it's your first time of watching my chin-chin video, scroll down on my channel, you will see so many benefiting video of chin-chin and other types of video that will really be helpful to you or to people around you. And I believe it has been a blessing to thousands. And it has answered so many doubts people have been having about chin-chin. The errors people have been having about chin-chin, it has solved so many doubts. At this point, I have started preheating my oil. Once it's ready, I'll throw two on it to see if it's fully ready. So once you see that your oil is ready, start with a medium heat. Okay, this is where some people do make a mistake. Do not start with a too much heat, always with a high heat. Just keep stir frying until it become a golden brown like this that you are seeing. So at this point it's perfectly okay. I will take it off from the oil and I will fry the next batch. This chicken steak, children love it so much, including myself. Can you see how it looks like? You can put some sons in their hands. In fact, they love it. So I am done with this chicken steak. I will just go ahead and fry the normal cutting way of chin-chin. But they are all really wonderful and amazing. If you watch this video up to this point, you are the best I have ever seen. Please do me a favor by liking, share the video and leave a comment. It goes a long way. Please, if you watch up to this point and you have not yet liked the video, the greatest thing you can do for me is just your like. That's the best way I think you can appreciate that I love this your video. Go ahead and like, and also help me to share the video. You know your platform. Guys, we are down. Just look at it. Remember, we are working with only 1 kilo, 1,000 grams. So this is the end result. Is it not amazing? After this video, will you still be searching for who will make chicken for you for sale? If 1 kilo can get you this, please appreciate who have done this by your life. God bless you. See you soon again. Bye.